Hi, I'm Eric from AMP. Today we're going to be unboxing the SR-JK11H. This kit was specifically designed to take the Stinger Heighten and mount it flawlessly in the dash of your Jeep Wrangler JK. Let's take a look at what's in the box that makes this installation super easy. Right on the top of the box, we have a piece of paper about the instruction manual. Scan that QR code with your smartphone to make sure you downloaded the latest instruction manual. Here, protected in some bubble wrap, are the two pieces of plastic. These are going to take the Jeep Wrangler JK dash and ramp up to the back of the Heighten, making it sit flawlessly in the dash of your Jeep. And then there's a trim ring that goes around the front, cleaning up the installation. There's a completely plug-and-play vehicle harness, plugs directly into your Jeep, plugs directly into the Heighten, not cutting any wires at all. Included is a dual USB installation kit. You can replace the factory 12-volt cigarette lighter with dual USBs to connect to the Heighten. We include the antenna adapter for your satellite radio. If you have satellite radio in your Jeep, you want to retain that. Also the AM/FM antenna adapter. There's the radio replacement module. This is going to talk to the Jeep's CAN bus and keep the vehicle happy and retain the factory amplifier. We have a box of hardware. This is going to mount the brain of the Heighten in the dash of the Jeep. A pack of zip ties, some hardware, and some double-sided tape. That's everything that's included in the SR-JK11H that allows you to easily plug a Heighten into your Jeep Wrangler JK and have it looking flawless. Thanks for watching.